Yes, you read that right, y'all. I am taking on a challenge to raise my portfolio from what it is right now, which I'll show you guys soon what it is right now, to $1 million in 5 years. Call me crazy if that makes you feel better. But in 5 years, I'll make another video and I'll tell you guys where I'm at. Now, I know this sounds very unrealistic to some of you, but have you heard of Dogecoin millionaire? Proto Doge? The guy made millions in a couple months. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen to me. Obviously, I know better than that, but I'm just telling you that it is possible if you make the right investments, if you have the right knowledge. Get what I mean? I'm not like extremely risky. I play the right moves. I am fully educated about what I'm investing in before I do it. So right now, I have 2 accounts. I have a Robinhood account and I have a Schwab account. Okay, and I'll show you guys exactly what is in the account. Later on, I'll break them down in another video, show you like all the individual stocks that are there and the ETFs and mutual funds that I have. But for today, I'll just show you like the exact amount that I have on there so that you guys will know where I'm starting from. All right, so the first account that I have is my Robinhood account, which currently has about $2,300 in it. I've been investing just slowly over the past year, and I will show you guys all the specific investments that are actually in it as time goes on, but this is where I'm at right now with my Robinhood. Okay, so remember what the goal is, $1 million. Okay, and then over here I have my Schwab account, so it's a Charles Schwab account, and this one is currently at like $887. Again, it's just from me making my automatic investments, and it's grown about like 80 something dollars over the past year. But it's an index fund. As you can see, I have like a specific investment in this one with the Schwab S&P 500 investment, and it's grown over the past year. So when you add these 2 accounts together, it puts me at like 3,100. Okay, that's where I'm at combined with the Robinhood and my Schwab. So we'll see where if I could get another like $997,000 to make it $1 million. That's the challenge, y'all. Okay, I believe in investment, and if you know what you're doing, you can make it happen. If you want to join me in this journey and see if this is possible, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay, you want to be the one who said, I was there when he only had $3,000 in his brokerage accounts at the very beginning. Thank you for watching, and again, subscribe so that you can join us in this journey. I'm a beginner. I am literally learning with you, as you can see. See you guys in 5 years. Nah, I'll see you in the next video because I'll show you guys the journey, obviously. But anyways, take care. Thank you for watching.